Back at the end of October, the CDC voted to include the COVID-19 vaccine in its Vaccines for Children's program. The CDC's independent advisors voted unanimously to include the COVID shots authorized by the FDA for children in their Vaccines for Children program. This means that they'll remain free for children who are enrolled in Medicaid, uninsured, underinsured, or Native American, even after the vaccines transition to the commercial market. The Vaccines for Children program provides vaccines to kids under the age of 19 whose families cannot afford them. It's a program that was created by Congress back in the early 90s, and it was actually in response to measles. It's an entitlement program for children who are eligible under the age of 19. Other vaccines on that list are the hepatitis A and B shots, the flu shot, polio, mumps, chickenpox, and more. Since the start of the COVID pandemic, the federal government has made vaccines, testing, and treatment free of charge to the public. There were mandates that these treatments and vaccines be covered by insurance, by Medicaid, by Medicare, and there were also some regulatory procedures in place to protect patient access and work towards equitable distribution of the vaccine. Many of these measures are tied to the public health emergency, but the conversation is now changing as we look to what happens when the vaccine moves to the commercial market, which is anticipated for early 2023. There is upcoming, at some point, going to be the end of the national COVID public health emergency and a depletion of federal supplies. This could mean access changes and challenges. The CDC, therefore, wanted to make sure that these COVID shots remained free for children, and that's why they added them to the Vaccines for Children's program. You can read more on the CDC's actions. We link to more on that Vaccines for Children's program and their unanimous vote in the description below.